Ladies and gentlemen, today I will be tearing down this UPS. It's the 700 cube. I have a couple of these things laying around, and every time I see these things, I cop them because they have something very interesting in them. Well, probably not all, but that's what I'm going to find out. Self-protect, yada yada. You have 2 access screws below to remove the batteries and eventually open the device. Let's get it. I remove the screws. So after removing the screws, place it back right way up and just lift this part up and you have access to the battery. Now the battery is dead in this thing. If I come and try and put this thing on, dead. Again, you have some clips in this area. And here you have it. This thing is totally exposed and ready for action. At this point, you'd put these things back together after changing your battery. This battery is dead, by the way. And you're back. But this is not my mission today. I, however, decided to give it a little try just to make sure things are at least a bit intact in there. So now I'm coming to the good stuff right here. And I have a feeling that this chip might be a pig. No, it's not a pig. It's an MDT 10 something. But anyway, who knows? There might be something to do with it. So take a good look at this board. Like a really some other phone stuff here. Heatsink, transformer, toroid, all the transformers, relays. Take a look at these transistors and stuff. Take a look at this EEPROM or some stuff like this, if that's what it is. Let's verify. Alright, it's a KA4843A. It's an SMPS controller. What again do you have? So we have a controller and some other whatever. But this is the good stuff here. And AFP.CONNEX is out. Part 2 coming. Stay tuned.